Blessed love, my people. Right here for you today. We have two great GQ movies together, all in one place. Perfect Lady and The Perfect Man. You know me I say? So make sure you get the popcorn ready and you just sit back, relax, and enjoy these two great movies. And leave your comment in the comment section. We really appreciate the comment. Big up to all my subscribers. My loyal subscribers, my new subscribers. I appreciate y'all so much. And if you want to help us out, you know, we're going across the screen. We have the Cash App. You know what I mean? Anything you send is greatly appreciated. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy these two great movies. Bless up, everybody. So you never know how tough it is out there until a woman left you. I mean, for me, she keep on tell me say I'm me, something wrong with me. But me don't know, maybe I'm my ego. But anyway, she just bounce. And like me, I tried to find the perfect lady. But you know, out there I test the waters and I try do me thing for just to see if me can come up with somebody to get back at her, you know? But me I tell you, you're rough out there. Me not even want to talk too long. Let me tell you now how everything go down.
Oh, hey, Romeo.
Hey,
Babe, give me a minute. Just 1 minute. Hi.
what's going on?
Nothing much usual. How are you?
Good enough. You look good.
Well, thank you. You don't look so bad yourself either.
Well, may I try?
Okay, that's good. So,
I never know say you dating already? Again? Date someone?
what's that supposed to mean? Why wouldn't I be dating? Why you think I just run away for you?
Oh no. I mean, you know, I do my thing myself, you know.
Okay, you're dating someone as well.
Met someone, yeah, everything good.
Okay, it's going great, right?
Yeah, can't complain. Meet someone good, you know. She alright. She treat me good.
That's nice. Good for you.
Yeah. So your stuff. What are you planning on doing now?
Oh yeah, about that. I was planning to stop by, but I didn't want to just pop up and then I kind of lost their number. But, you know, I will stop by and come get them.
So yeah, you can come like in the afternoon or so. On a Saturday or so. 'Cause, you know, I really want you. Babes.
I'm coming. Yeah, that's fine. Alright?
Alright.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, belly roll. Sorry to keep you waiting, man.
I gone, bossy.
Yeah, so does that look alright?
No man, when's the wrong man?
How many hours you
Work
feel
8 hour Wednesday.
8 hour Wednesday, okay.
Yeah, man.
I tell you, Belly, you really gotta make sure that you're punching harder for me to punch you in, and you probably end up getting paid later than normal, you know?
Yeah,
So
boss,
you really
I try work it out the best you can. Try for me, man. Say, bossy.
yeah, that's good, man. But between you and me, I ran into my ex Tiff today, man. And I feel so weird because I found out that it really looked like she met somebody, man.
Bro, so it's been a while now on a breakup. So she must find somebody. So it's time for you to find somebody, bro.
Yeah, I know, but I don't really go out like that, you know? So it's not really easy for me to meet people, you know?
Bossy, but really still, I really want to get in your business still, but I want to really make your and Tiffany break up, though.
I mean, you don't know, she just cut.
You sure now you did a problem?
Me? No, Belly, why would you say that?
No, I'm just an ask. Because sometimes we man up pick the beam out of where, you know. We pick it out the other people, you see me?
I'm pretty sure I wasn't the problem. She have her one problem. But anyway, where do people meet people these days?
There was time make you hook you up on. Then man and woman link up. Yeah, man.
That's a real site?
Real site, man. I something work with too.
Man and woman link
Man
up?
and woman link up.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
I have to go check out this site here.
Check it out, man, because you can find how much right so.
Yeah, and I'm one. She still have some clothes over there. And she ever decide to come for them, really want she say, find somebody too, you know?
Yeah, man, Romeo, man. Just give it a try, man. Hook up on the thing, man. Remember, you know, man and woman link up.
I
You not
definitely
work it, bro. All woman from all over.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
How come I never hear about this side?
Bro, just believe in our man.
Alright, I'll definitely do that. So
Yeah, man.
we'll do that,
Don't
man.
man.
Yeah, man, we'll definitely do
Yeah,
that.
man.
I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, Belly. Sorry to call you at this time. What did you say the name of that site was again? Man and woman link up. Okay. Oh, just stay on the phone right quick. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, I think I got it now, man. Man, I have girls from all walks of life. Okay, alright, yeah. So I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, man. Okay. Alright. Definitely work with that. Alright. Oh. Okay, alright. Oh yeah. That's good. Could definitely work with this. Just forward it and just go out to work and see this. Yeah, man. Yeah, bro, just go and do your thing, but don't be late. Because you know you can't do that. But let me shout about that, yeah? Alright. Hey, Imani! Money. I'm go blind.
Wagwan King?
Want to all of the pot them?
What you mean want me to all of the pot them?
The deep pot them, the pot them we can boil stuff in. We don't see none of pot them.
Listen to me now, King. It's like, I and I dash you all of them pot there, you know.
You do what?
I and I dash you all of the pots, cause guess what? I and I is a true empress. I don't know them pot that contaminated and all of that, so I'm not gonna work with that. So we are getting some new pots aside.
So you dash for the whole of the pot them?
All of the pots them. I dash you all of them. I'll get some new pots.
How would you do that?
Listen, man.
Jesus.
You have to get out of the Babylon mindset. It's like, yeah, you have to move forward to Zion. You can't stay focused in a Babylon mindset no time.
Imani. Me have know you do your Rasta thing and me come in you all 100%. But baby, you have to understand, I'm not a Rasta.
Rome, you are my king side. So guess something now.
Yes.
Fire for blaze, man. And guess what? The liberty half pure. You side? So here what we're gonna do. We're gonna roast some corn and we're gonna deal with some ital stew up on the outside.
Again? We've been doing that for like 2 weeks.
Watch your man.
I
As me
want
say,
some meat in my system.
no corruption in my kitchen. Straight, natural from the earth. You know what I mean? So I just write this. So as me say, Romy, you're my king and your liberty definitely have to be pure. So just do the right thing. Decide? Just do the right thing. By the way, you listen to the music?
Yeah, me did start listening to it, you know, but in the car, but you check
See?
it out, man. You check it out.
That with you, man. As my king, you have to stand up to your empress, don't?
Yeah,
So
man.
you have to do the right thing, man. In the room, there meds deep in a king.
See.
You see it?
yeah.
Me a meds deep, so really me have to stay focused because they don't know, as me say, the liberty have to pure. You know what I mean? I'm not deal with no corruption. You understand? We have to get out of the Babylon system inside. So just do the right thing, man. I'm why you help me promote the music. As my king, you know, feel like you're even there with me, you side.
Yeah,
So you have to just do the right thing, man, cause everything I go this side.
Okay, all right. Yeah, man, I promise.
So I go just go and make the thing.
Yeah.
And
I
as
promise
me
I'll
say,
listen to it.
promote the music, man. So in the next 10 minutes, we're going to just go on the outside and deal with some items still.
Yeah, all right. Okay. I got you.
Worry yourself, man. It's all good. Fire in my soul, just like the way me trod through Babylon every day. But me not go stray, my heart stay clean. I tell liberty, my roots stay green. Fire in my soul, just like the way me trod through Babylon every day. But me not go stray, my heart stay clean. I tell liberty, my roots stay green. Me nah about the system, me nah take no bribe. Me chat do. Oh, what one king?
Highly.
What do you deal with it now?
Selassie,
Just stay and go and hear some music, you know.
Nothing for eat.
Yeah, man, we are growing at the back to go get some roast vegetable, you know.
Again?
You mean, man, one to your king? Me tell us you live it, you have to right, you know.
Jesus.
You know what I mean? You have to stay pure. You notice some me I drink?
Think you buy enough water?
Buy? What you mean? Natural spring water, this, you know.
From where?
Straight from the stream, you know.
You go catch it?
You mean? You notice? By what? Of a natural be.
Imani, I want you to listen. Just really listen to what I have to say.
Me I listen to you, but I just want you to hear me out a little bit.
Okay.
And just tell me how this sound, aside?
Yeah.
Me empress crown high, me spirit shine bright, truth in my tongue, me walk with the light. Oh, that sound.
Yeah. I think I've heard enough, Imani. But I just need to say this. I really just need to say this. And I hope you don't take it the wrong way. I'm going to try to say this the best way I can. Okay?
We ask you now, King.
Hold on. I try to wrap my head around this whole Rasta thing. But Imani, unfortunately, it's not going to work out for me. And again, with the songs and when I listen to all of the songs them in the car, I listen to them all. I hate to tell you, but I don't think you're going to make it in the music business.
What you mean, King? On that! On the thought there!
Man,
What you mean? So you want to tell me, say, as my King, you not stand up for the eye?
Imani,
We are deal with Rasta.
I'm just
We are
being-
deal with King.
And it's not just the music. I
What you
can't
mean?
deal with the whole Rasta thing. I can't do it. It's not gonna work for me. You throw away all of my cologne them, all of my roll on them. Me I got work. I me have to smell myself. If me stink. Me sorry, man, but I have to let you go. I have to break up. I really can't do this. It's not working out for me. I'm sorry, you're such a good person. And you deserve everything good in life that's coming to you. But you will find somebody still. Hopefully, it's a Rasta man, that can, do this whole Rasta thing with you. Okay? Haile, Selassie, I'm sorry, Manny.
You
But it's
know,
not me.
me never ever want to call you Romeo.
No?
But I can't call you my King. I can't call you my King no more. Besides, because I come to you as a true Rasta Empress. Clean spirit. You understand? Me try to take you out of the Babylon mindset. Don't make you get caught up in the Babylon system. You know what I mean? Me try to make sure so you stay healthy. Decide.
Okay.
But this is not what you want.
Maybe it's not
Sin.
what I want, but it's what I know. And it's what makes me feel comfy. Maybe someday I'll go to the Rasta thing. Who knows? I probably can get convert. But right now, Imani, I'm sorry.
Ja! Rastafari. I know you're going to lift up from your son. I know you're going to pack my things. And I know you're left in the morning. I know see you, boy. I know see you on no corruption. No time. See, it's the world get caught up in the entire Babylon system. And I know you try to change them mindset. But it seems like they're just so caught up. You know what I mean? True strength comes from knowing that nobody's perfect, but there's always room for growth if them willing to learn. Blessed love King.
Highly.
I wonder I know say, as an empress, that I come to you with a pure heart and only the truth decide. As I tell you, I said greatness in the king. You side. But I wonder I know say even the mightiest lion have to humble himself sometimes and check him levity.
Oh, yeah?
Seen? But with all that is being said, still just know the perfection belongs to Jah alone. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, so moving forward, check the eye levity side. Rastafari guide your steps.
Yeah, and yours too. All right?
want them gift there? A big gift me like. Just send a lion. Tap up the screen, guys. No, I don't want no small things. What?
Hey, China. What going?
You not gonna work. Oh, you just so quick.
Just down there. I mean, reach us so quick. I've been at work for 8 hours.
Huh? I lie. Hold on. You know, I saw like me saying this.
Did you even do anything?
Me I work on my phone all day.
Work?
Right through. You know I'm out me make.
What do you mean? How you make money? That's
Me make money on TikTok. You never know me influencer.
you are?
Yes, I am.
Hold on. So this is what you do all day, go live on TikTok?
Yes, because that's how me make money.
Really?
By sitting on TikTok, going live, and make them send gift. That's how me make my money.
What kind of life is that?
I influence the life.
Oh, you an influencer?
It's like me a stutter when me attack. Why you repeat all of what me just say?
Okay.
By the way, you got the stage show weekend.
What show is that? Stage show?
Yes, Roger while ago did it and I went next to you right now film name can't click back in my head right now. Remember it. You're coming or you're not coming.
Who's Raja Wire?
Tell me if you're coming or you're not coming, because I can just go out with my friend them now. Then I tell me no.
Trina, let me ask you something, right? How old did you say you were again?
It's like a shallow hole in your brain. I'm 19 years of age.
19?
No, 20. I hear tell me I talk to you and repeat. It's annoying. Matter of fact, they're gonna get a drink. Because it come like a shallow hole in your brain. Every somebody says something, you repeat it. Yawa. You ready? Oh, and another thing. If you hungry or other food come, I won't be cooking.
Okay.
Argument gonna out of here. No, sir. This not.
Hey,
Oh,
Trina, what one?
no, I think that with the pan. You just
TikTok?
get that.
What time is it? Just a little bit after 7. Seem like you've been on TikTok ever since you reached this house, yeah? You ever come off of that?
No, but work. Me have to work right through.
Right, you?
Yes.
Patrina, listen. A Saturday morning, we usually like to sleep a little bit later. And you
Sleep
just...
late. You can't go make some breakfast with me, because right now me hungry, my throat dry. The worm in my belly I call a ball for mercy.
Hold on, you can't be serious. Ever since you reach here, you don't cook nothing. And me a order, sometime I cook. And you tell me, say, me, you have the audacity to tell me, say, me figure breakfast. No, you fear do them something.
I lie. No, you a man. No, you supposed to feed me and me feed you. You look your head.
All right, but you know, it's like me don't know how to say this. There's no right way to say this or what them say, right way or wrong way to say this. What me I go just say to you straight? You have to go.
I lie.
True. This not gonna work out.
Oh, you never did a say so when you saga me. And I said, oh baby, I love you. You're the best. I love you so much. But no, all of a sudden, throw me up on TikTok. Me have to go. The TikTok people, me I hear this little Yes, man, this little crosses. Hey, I don't want nobody pick him up, you know.
You got me
A
alive?
waste man this. Imagine me I do my work and you lie on the bed. I just after 7. And you want me fit up nice and my work me I do. And here you behave. And the time early.
You have me alive?
What fit happy?
Alright, but you have to go.
You know if you say
You just
party, me I come out of this. Can you see
Alright.
since as me can have my freedom, me no see sense me in this. And my family them they have to know everything.
Alright, that's it. You have to go.
You know if you say party more, me I come out of this. Cause since as me can have my free time in this, it's like me under lockdown, me I come out of this. But they gonna show you something. Don't forget, you're not perfect, You have issues too. And that me I tell you. As a matter of fact, me not even go carry my clothes and take your gear other girl them. Right.
There's nobody left. There's nothing out there. Yeah, Billy. Time to come by one. This will fine back then. You can work with this?
Yeah, man, that good man.
Okay.
That very good man, boss man. What else, man?
Yeah.
So, how the site are going with you?
Too bad, couple of girls come through already. But
We talk couple girls, like much girls.
how much come through already? But 2 of them I date already. But the girl come with be a problem, man.
Problem.
Them come with be a problem, man.
Right now, my mind terms are really a problem still.
Me had a problem. Why you always say that? Why you
Cause-
think say my problem?
Me try the site, I never have no problem. You get me, I say? You and your girlfriend live, and you say, I share the problem. No, you meet 2 girls on the site, and the 2 girls you meet so far a problem for you too.
But me I tell you that. I
No,
mean,
man.
date them.
No, something wrong with them, bro. You and your girlfriend live, Zine, and you say, I share the problem. No, me hook you up on a site, and you meet 2 girls on the site so far, and you are tell me no. Say, them a problem same way. No, man. Look to yourself, bro. Look to yourself, man.
I don't know if I tell you, Belly.
Still, I don't want to give up still because somebody out there for you, bro. Somebody out there for you, so don't give up. Somebody. You get me, I say?
I just lucky, man. You go up on the site and it work for you. That's all pure luck. And everybody have the same luck.
But please be reminded, God I go love you one time too. Sometime in life, God I go love you too. Just like I love me. God must love you, man.
I hope so.
Yeah, man.
Why? Sometimes just wish it work out with Tiff, I swear. You can't dwell upon the past, yeah, man.
I understand what you're saying, but I always when her a couple times well, but say me see her again, I get her talk for you.
No. Don't do that.
What do you mean?
Me don't want to look like me don't want to look too vulnerable, like me can't find nobody, you know?
Bro, sometimes you have to be the man still.
No, nobody like that.
Alright,
You just go and do me thing, man.
anything you say then?
Yeah.
Yo,
man.
so get some trace, I could bust some fever on man and have a drink, man.
Yeah, man, we do that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
No problem.
Jesus Christ. It's a bed here, no, sir? Sheet have to change, man. It smells frownsy. It's a place I want one special touch up. All them curtain I need to change. They look nice, but they dirty. I want one sheet to put on the bed now. Me no know a Romeo. Who is
Deborah?
it?
Romeo.
Okay, come inside. Why you knocking?
Yeah, Deborah. Well, my grandmother also myself. If you knock on closed doors, you know.
I need a hi.
Wagwan.
I need 2 sheets.
Two
The fitted and the flat with 2 pillowcases, please.
And this one are dirty already?
It dirty, need to change and it frownsy. Can I have 2 clean one, please, with 2 pillowcase?
All right. Yeah, man, them are good, all right.
Thank you.
Even though I did like them, another set there still. But you know, Deborah, it was something that I wanted to talk to you about, you know?
What is it?
I know you've been here for a while now and you know everything been going all right. You know, you keep the place nice and clean and everything. I really appreciate you. I really do.
You're welcome.
But Deborah, I gotta tell you, you can't keep moving up my stuff. Me like put my stuff them when we know say them there and when we can reach them and thing. So if you don't mind, anything where you see me having the like, even me share them, me have them one special place. I kind of have them there for a reason, you know? You see what I say? I don't try to be all, you know?
Romeo, you think it's a problem for me to clean up the place and move your stuff? I put them somewhere where you can find them. All you have to do is just ask me where they are. I'll just tell you.
Yeah, but I don't feel like I should, you know? I feel like, and plus sometimes when I leave you asleep, and I don't want to wake your feet. Me just want to know my stuff them there, my brother. I've been doing it like that forever. You know?
That's okay. You can wake me up. I'll just wake up and show you where they are. That's okay.
And really and truly, Deborah, it's not just the bathroom stuff. It's everywhere. I don't know where the egg pot there. I don't know where my teacup there. I'm sorry, Deborah, but it's a little bit much, you know? If you can just...
The egg pot? It's in the kitchen under the cupboard.
See, I didn't even notice that there's right there.
Yeah, but people normally put pots under the cupboard and the plates on the top in the tray.
All right.
Jesus Christ.
My bag, me sure somebody left me bring me in my bag with me.
Oh, it's on top of there.
And that's what it did there. This morning, me I look down the whole place with the bag.
No, it was right here. You leave it on the floor and it's not nice putting your bag on the ground. So I just put it up. I think it's much safer out there.
Yeah,
And it look more better up there. Don't put it on the ground.
Jesus.
Romeo?
Yeah.
Give me a minute, please. My family is coming over Sunday. They're coming to have dinner.
Oh, yeah, no problem.
You okay with that?
Yeah, babe.
Sure?
Yeah, man, everything good. Man.
Okay, thank you.
That's all right. All right?
Okay. So you alright? You know me glad you no come.
A little bit of food that I talk about glad you come.
Me have to leave for Romeo food and me give you some already. And me give you some. So me
I want more ice cream in it.
yeah, me can give you some more ice cream if you want.
Evelyn.
Yo,
Hi babe.
General, pick up yourself, you know. Respect to the hospitality, you know.
Yeah, man. No, I'm kind of tired, so I'm going to go put down.
Yes, but General.
Yeah.
You don't want me to help you bring the bag? You okay?
As a matter of fact, Deborah, let me speak to you for a minute now, please.
Okay, I'm coming.
Me tell the man about hospitality and this a penny kitty. This now up to par with hospitality. I don't think man want some more ice cream. I don't think I feel like man. Now hold on my mouth and chat. No dear.
Just always a
Just some
insult
ice cream.
people. Me always care when you come here if you come insult me. Like seriously as a family.
How about a little bit of food that? Little bit of food that.
Why you shout?
I say man a foreign man, you know man. The man got foreign regular. Well, you just beat up yourself. You say man not understand. The man talk. The man not talk no part of business.
What you mean? Him
The man
understand?
just pass a while ago. Man say, good evening. Man talk.
Because him go college overseas and he speak proper English.
Oh, the man not understand the message. I'm telling you man, guy eat that man.
I'm hungry now.
Sure, some ice cream can't come.
Go for some of my food, man. Right now, I'm hungry.
The food finished. The food will leave in the pot of Romeo. No, me can give you some more ice cream, but
This and hospitality.
Get
Get sausage.
me go to some grocery phone no carry one and I just share it up. But different from that and me can't take this no more. Anyway, I want to go talk to him because him
Yes, I'm going to talk about ice cream. What if you put that little bit of food there?
You know, so we are come. You know, so we are come.
me have to go talk to him now. Me soon come back. Me I go give you the liquor ice cream and I just act greedy. You know, insult me. Me can't take this no more.
No.
Some can.
Oh, me now come back at this a low life place. Yeah. You come back a hospital with you. Hospital with them, man. You feel big food.
This is a hospitality. This is a clinic. Clinic.
Here, babe.
So, Deborah, what's going on?
They're my families and you already know them. I told you that they was coming over.
I know, but I thought that was only one Sunday, which transcended into 2 Sundays. No, it seemed like it's the whole week this week.
Babe, don't start again. It's fine. It's my family. And they're your family too. It's your in-laws. What's the problem?
Deborah, I mean, I heard everything that was said out there. And I seen it going on. And I thought it was going to be every day. I say, you know what? We not say nothing. We just going to make it slide. And then you keep on going into the next day, and the next day, and the next day. It's like the whole week now. I can't afford that. What are you doing? You cannot have your family over here every day. I'm sorry, but can't happen.
Okay, they just came over because they were feeling hungry and I gave them some food.
Deborah, it's like you're not getting... You're not reading what I'm writing. As a matter of fact...
I don't understand what you're saying. Anyway, why did you put this here? Pulling not to put it here. It
No,
does not look good.
Deborah, leave the bag. Please. I just want you to understand what
The
I'm
dust
saying.
in the bag choking me. See, the dust in the bag is choking me. I told you not to put it there. It look much better over here.
Deborah,
Huh?
you're simply not getting what I'm saying. This is not about the bag. I mean, I spoke to you before about your family and everything. I'm simply just saying it's too much for me. It's over. I'm sorry.
Just like that?
This relationship is over. I'm sorry.
Romy, I can see that you did not love me before.
It's not.
It was like I'm your house help. You didn't love me. I can see that. Because love is natural. And you just fall in love and fell out of it just like that. Like seriously? Love is natural. Love doesn't go like this.
Hey! Yes, my general. Tell you, man. Hey, we are moving on. We are moving on.
Alright then.
Gee. Hey, see you now, man. No, sir. Yo, you know, fully AC, my general, man. Fully AC on it. Yo! You know, yeah, glass. So, yo, you're my best family, you know. You know what? General, so what's on the man? Respect, you know, because we enjoy, we set up over here, general, you know. You don't do anything with General.
Listen,
So what's up?
listen. I'm leaving. I have to leave.
Yeah, then leave. One then a week, so we leave.
No, Romeo broke up with me. I have to leave.
That's a fear business, yeah, Romeo.
Because
Oh, come on. Now.
he said that.
Hold on, big boss. Hold on. Watch out. General, I don't know you General same size no man. Yes, sir. You can't work with it.
No, just
Hold on, yeah.
you can't do that.
You know say the man leave. The same thing good I make the man left, you know.
Yeah, you and you.
Oh, if you do that. Boss you away.
Because he just
Boss
told me
you
that
away.
I bring my family
No,
here.
look here. Me, this
All
man
the
are
time.
kind to
And
me.
you guys come and
Someone
take
are
out
kind to-
everything.
No, me know why man good at left. Cause you wanna. You see you wanna treat a family good. Bossy. I see him like you know, where some could have work with it. Yeah, alright, you see it. I saw some family member like you know. You see no? You see no? Yo, come on now, Jessica. So bad mind, that's how man move. General, pick up yourself. Yo, heart of love here. Never short of love, me tell you. Tell man. You know see man rate me. You know see general rate me. General, tell general man. What do you man? Come on now, man. Tell. What do you know? You know see what you want in it?
Babe, please. Just don't let me go. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I won't let that come back here.
I'm sorry, Deborah. Just go, Deborah. I'm sorry. Please.
Okay.
It's not gonna work out.
Sure that you don't want to forgive me?
I'm sorry, Deborah.
Romeo, I'm so sorry that you're sending me away. Seriously mean it from my heart that I did love you and I still love you. But you have problems too. Bye. You're gonna regret this, Romeo.
Belly. There's nobody left, bro. There's nothing out there. Never work out. You did really have high hopes for Deborah. Me? Me are the problem? Hey, Sonia.
Hello.
Hey, you look just like your profile. You could come in. Just make yourself comfortable, man. I hear a place, man. Yeah, man, I hear a place now, man. Not for about nothing, you know?
Very nice.
You like it?
Yes, I do.
You see yourself living here for
Years.
ever?
Yeah.
Years? Alright, that's good, man. So sit down now
Okay,
and
thank
get
you.
comfy. So how was the ride?
Long?
Yeah?
Yes, it was long.
Let me get that for you, man.
Thank you.
So, this is my place, you know, and I hope you're gonna stay here for a while. But I know it's your first day, but as soon as you get freshened up, them have a good karaoke bar down there, so, in the square. I think outside after we freshen up, we can just go down there, have a drink, you know, have a good time and come back. How that sound?
I'm okay with staying home.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Just show me around the place.
All right.
Get comfortable.
Everything
Shower.
is around. Everything is around there. Rooms, bathroom. I'll show you around.
Okay then.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Come on. Boy, may I tell you, bro. Listen, it's like God love me. Let me not tell you, so me find the one. Bro, believe me. She don't like gold. She don't like none of them something there. She just like stay home. Yeah, bro, Netflix and chill. A fear thing. Cool man, watch it. We just follow them and place clean. Food, cook, everything. Yeah, bro. That me I tell you, man. We find it, man. We find it. I'm gonna say hi to her. Yeah, tomorrow. Hey, Sonia.
I'm back here.
You say you never liked the name Sonia, right?
Call me Eve.
Eve. Okay.
Sonia.
Eve.
Yeah, better.
So the place look nice and everything, man. Like you clean up.
They are clean from morning, you know.
Y'all wash the clothes them too?
Yeah.
I lie. What am I do to deserve this?
You don't do nothing.
Cheese and peace, babe.
It is my work.
So you are going now. Tomorrow night, party at the upper Sheldon, and then Saturday night at the big party. Which one of them you want?
None of them. Tell her before, so I'm rather stay home. Once me have Netflix, food, you know, yeah, I'm good.
You don't want to go none of them?
No.
So you're good with staying home?
Yes.
Netflix and chill?
Yes, and food.
Wow. That's amazing. So y'all cook too?
Yeah. Food in the kitchen.
I lie. No, so I have to eat some of this food there. So, I'm going to eat because I'm hungry.
Alright, so I can't eat with you too.
Alright, cool. Hey, EVE.
Give me a second, you know?
Oh, sorry for interrupting.
What are you saying?
But you hear me say, the bike show.
Bike show?
Yeah. 2 o'clock. You want to go or you no?
I told you countable times that I want to stay home. Rather stay home.
Yeah, man. Just to the ask. You know, everything cool, man. That's all good. So, now go up there, yeah? It'll be about 4 hours.
Alright.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
And no matter worry about dinner, we'll bring something, yeah?
Alright then, thank you.
Alright, babe.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, man.
Yes, what are you saying? Yes, so what time? Okay. Alright, then just do what you have to do. Alright. Yeah, me there you fit watching.
Boy, Eve,
Give me a second.
I tell her the bike show is mad. Fancy doing thing.
I come back first.
Yo, Mr. The man doing wheelie and spinning around with the girl on him back. Yo, I couldn't believe. I tell her.
You enjoy your day?
Yeah, man. But babe, see what I say? Come like me left, got the bike show. That was what? 4 and sitting over. And I come like, why come like in at the same position? What go on?
Coming up on my phone.
And I come like, you still up on it. Yeah, you're up on the phone. That's how you talk to some babe.
My ex me I talk to.
You what?
My ex.
Ex as in ex-man?
Yeah, the man never did there with that me left him. Something wrong with that?
So, hold on. Let me get this straight. So, you communicate with your ex?
Yeah, me soon call her back. Where is it?
You communicate with your ex? Or ex them?
Yeah, me and them talk. Me communicate with them. We check up on each other. Me and all of them talk.
I wanna close?
Yeah, close like that. So sometimes call them yard. Me and them sleep. Nothing happen. Sorry, got conversation.
Hold on there, Eve. Hold on there. Let me get this straight. See, I tell me, say, you and all your ex them close, communicate, hang out.
And that me just say, you the foreigner here. Which one?
Oh,
Let
Jesus.
me ask one question.
Yeah.
You and your ex are not good. You not talk.
No.
You not check up on them. They not check up on you.
No, Eve.
What I mean no?
Not 1 second.
To me, it's like a phone relationship never count. Because there is no way you got other ex and not communicate.
No. They're ex for a reason. Me not do that something there, Eve.
Listen to me. Me have communicated with my ex because them did it with me. I'm gonna tell you something. One of them I go through hell. I'm yard. He asked me if he can come stay with me. Which him asked me if he can come stay with me. So I make him come and stay in a room one day, so.
In the what?
The back room.
What? The room on there, sir?
Yeah, the back one. The back room. The last room.
You're serious? Oh, Jesus. I know this was too good to be
You know
true.
what, dear? Is there something wrong?
All right, Eve. That is it. I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to go. It not gonna work. That you
Romeo.
will.
We are trying to say.
I'm trying to tell you that this is it. This is the relationship come to an
Let me
end.
ask one question.
I can't move forward with that.
Me and my ex are not there. You see it?
Me
We
understand.
only talk. And me help him out. Him help me out when time me want help too. And just because me give him the okay to come here, come see with me, you have to talk about, oh, this is it. You lick your head.
If me lick my head?
And that's how you go. I'm not getting anywhere.
I'm sorry, Eve.
I'm not going anywhere.
Unfortunately, it's not your choice. I can't do it. I can't do this. I can't do this. I thought this was really gonna work, but that ex something there, Eve. That's a little bit too much for me. You can't even stay till tomorrow. You have to go leave. No.
Okay, fine.
Right now.
Fine, I will leave. See you, Romeo? You're like you're perfect, but you're not perfect. And you have a problem to me, I come out, I'm leaving.
So, Ivani,
Yes,
this
Romeo.
is it. It's at the main room. Yeah, man. Hopefully
I
you
like
can.
it.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Hopefully you can stay here for a while,
Yeah.
or forever.
Right.
You know how that go.
Okay,
I'm
Romeo.
glad that you came.
Yeah,
You know,
thanks.
I have to say, definitely nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too,
Yeah,
Romeo.
man. And you seem quiet though for the whole trip back, you know, say nothing.
Yeah, so me stay home, me like forget to know people and I'm kind of quiet. Yeah,
Quiet, laid back.
Yeah.
My kind of girl, man. So I'm just go share out the food and then you can come, yeah?
Oh, alright, yeah.
Alright, cool.
One Keisha call me. Miss her call. Yeah, Keisha girl. Yeah, girl, you know, me must say, me tell us, say, me a go hold them, you know. Me say, girl, oh Jesus, oh be unto God when me hold one. I must kill it. Me say, me a go strangle it. Girl, no tell me to hold my cool. Me not hold no cool. You know the word about friend you have. And you lucky say me can talk to you more loader than girl. Come on, man. You're going like say no know the type of friend where you have. Girl, no, me not take foolishness. So me say me I go do. Me say me I go kill one. Me say me I go drop one pan in neck and broke kill it. Girl, you're going like say you want to tell me too much about over cool down. Girl, me not depend that with you, know. Me not depend that with you. You ever want to cry peace? Girl, me not like peace or war always. Me love the problem and you know say me love the problem. Girl, come off of this. Can you not talk no with sense right now? No know what she come and tell me say. Me do anything me feel like do. If I want kill one, me kill one. Lucky say around me up place, me dey to behave. What happened to you? What happened to you?
What happened to me?
Yeah, babe, me not like it. You want make people disrespect you, you walk over. After you no walk over, no make nobody walk over you and take disadvantage of you. It can't work so. Romeo, it cannot work like that.
Funny.
Yes.
I'm still trying to wrap my head around what you did at the supermarket. You almost killed the girl.
Almost kill her. I kill me, didn't want to kill her. Me no girl come around no joke with my man with no yai. She use her yai steer her down. I want.
She was totally harmless. It didn't mean anything.
You know what I can do? Romeo, you know what one girl eye contact to you can do?
No, what?
Oh, what? What? Me I prevent it before it happen where you can see what can happen. It cannot work like that. No girl run no joke with my man. But she in a line and a steer down. No, it don't work like that.
What happened to the little quiet Vanny that I met the first day? Clearly you're somebody else. Somebody different. I saw a different side of you today.
Well, me love my man and me protect my man. Listen, me no dey stop 50-50 who want protect who want who. Me just want to say reach home and you know gone home with the next girl. So just pack out the bag and cook some food, make we eat and relax. That's said and done.
Come like you love war, Vanny.
Love what kind of war? Love what kind of war? If you protect my man, oh, so if you protect my man, me love war. And it's a regular day this for me. Me slap in a girl face anytime, any day. Want me to you, relax and come cook your food.
You don't have to protect me.
No, you don't tell me that. You don't tell me that. You don't have any rights to tell me that. Who is you to tell me that, Romeo? Romeo, listen to me. Don't make me get dark in this. Just do what you do and don't make you have to see next. You see one side of me today, part one. Don't make you have to see part two. Come, get up. Come cook the food, man. What happened to you? Get up. But me no fear protect you. Me go protect you until they do us apart. Get up, Romeo. Come. Romeo, me not like how you move. Come. Cheer up yourself, man.
When I tell her, Ivani, you sat there, you're busy, you're afraid. Lord Jesus Christ. Ivani. What you do with that?
What you mean by when I do this?
You have gun?
Yeah, me have to sleep with it to protect myself.
Protect yourself from who?
Yeah, must say home I come from, nobody now come kill me down here,
Ah, Jesus Christ. This thing I just take a different turn.
Hey, boy,
Put that down, man. Don't point that for me.
what you worry about?
What me I worry about?
Yeah, you don't have nothing to worry about, Romeo. Baby, just relax. You're there with a bad girl.
What me think you had this
That's what
humble
you...
girl with...
Darling, that's what you thought. But I don't say go in a real. I don't say go.
So you walk with that every day? Huh.
Yeah.
Everything alright?
Yeah, everything alright. Just relax, man. Now use it for you. You alright?
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, but it's alright up until now. I never know, say, you're that kind of person, eh? Like, clearly you come like you have problems with people.
Babe, it's not a bad thing to protect yourself. You have to protect yourself in this life. If you not protect yourself, who go protect you?
But you're a gangster, man.
You never know. Babe, having a start right now, no boy. No. What me say? None.
No, but take that back out.
Them can't violate, baby. You're mad. Boss a girl and a boy head. No fear. Relax, man.
Jesus.
Relax. Listen, we're gonna just have some food. This never happen. This never hurt. Okay?
So, Ivan, when we did want to tell you, remember we see the little, insect them run around. So, you are going, in a couple of days, them are going to fumigate the place, yeah? Like, come right through.
So how this just come up so then?
No, but me don't tell you, man.
Oh.
Me don't tell you. So, you can take out all your stuff, them, and
Right.
just leave for like a couple of days, and then you come back.
So,
Yeah?
but you are gonna stay, babe?
No, me I go and stay for my bedroom, man. My bedroom, Ricky. Remember me make you meet him?
No. Babe, me not just say no. You sure you're not going on me?
No, don't go on you.
Me try if you not trust me instinct, but anyways, go eat some food, no? You're not hungry. Why you seem so nervous?
Not really hungry, but me eat something.
I will tell you if you take up bad girl. Come on, man, we'll go eat some food. I'm hide my thing.
Hello, Romeo.
Yeah, Ivani.
Yes, Romeo, we've been waiting for your call. Finally, you are here.
Alright. So you are going now, Ivani. Ivani, you can't come back.
Eh?
You can't come back here.
Hey, this is a joke. What do you mean by I can't come back? What do you mean? I don't understand. Break it down.
It's an official breakup. I'm sorry.
You're sick. You're mad. You're pop something else. No, we not pop.
Clearly you.
Hey. Me level this for you. Me tell you this. You know, say me didn't know say you're too good for me too dirty, man. You see, me didn't know say that you have no intention. Me analyze you. You don't know. You don't want to face me again. Nah.
Clearly, Ivani, you are a warboat. I can't deal with it. I can't deal with that in my life.
Oh, you're full of problems like our coronation market full of fruits.
Me full of problems?
You're full of problems. Make you full of problems, so everything problem with. Listen to me, man. Listen to me. Don't stop on my bus stop here. Bus stop this. Me fine you. Don't make me see again, you know. Me said, don't make me see again. Anyway, they try to steal it, see your house, me burn it down. So make sure you abandon the truth. Yeah? Come on for this and call me back. Dirty man.
Jesus. What kind of crisis is this? There's really nobody out there.
Hey Tiff, I got your message. Just to let you know that Friday afternoon at about 1, I'll bring the clothes to the beach parking lot. Alright, so I'll see you then. Cool.
Hey,
Hey.
what's up? Thing? You brought everything?
Yeah, everything in the month.
Alright, so what's the big deal why I could come by the house?
Well, I never really want you. You look weird and with me own did and thing, you know?
Romeo, cut the crap.
Got what crap?
Are you actually dating someone?
Oh, Jesus. Is that obvious?
Yes.
Yeah, really, I not date nobody. There's literally nobody out there. Jesus.
So why you lying then?
Me did actually want to make a good impression. Because when I see you with your man and say, oh, you look like you had the good. And then I try to find somebody to, but believe me, there's literally nobody out there.
Well, honestly, after you and I, that was my first date. It didn't work out. It
Seriously?
wasn't for me. So I guess there's nobody out here for me either.
Babe, you want to get back together? Seriously. Me need you home. Like, me not a big old empty house by myself. I try, but there's nobody out there.
I mean, I miss you a lot, but Romeo, there's some stuff that needs work, and you were the problem. You know this. And
I
you have
was?
to be, yes, you have to be willing to work on that in order for this to work.
I never know that.
You had problems compromising. We had communication issues. I would tell you not to do something, and you did exactly that. You left stuff all over the house. I had to be walking behind you, picking up stuff. That was very chaotic for me.
Jeez. Alright, babe, I apologize. So, you move back in?
Are you willing to try to change?
Definitely. I'll do everything. I promise I'll be a better one.
Okay, because I did this.
Hey, Belly. Boy, you're not gonna believe this, man. Me say, bro, after dating so many different types, just realize that there's nobody out there, brother. I'm telling you, man, I really tried. You know, I gotta say thank you, Belly, for hooking me up with the site, man. You know, I really gotta give you credit. You know, may I say? I mean, no, me not see you for a couple of weeks now. Hopefully you feel better when you know? But may I tell you, brother, you wouldn't believe what happened. Me say me bring the clothes and go get Tiff. And you know, so we end up back together, brother. Oh my God, man. Right now, she had tell me, say, me did have problem too, but brother, I go just try to do my best and work for my relationship. I swear to God. After the last female Vani, man, brother, may I tell you, man, me really think that she da go blow off me head. Brother, I'm telling you, Belly, trust me, there's no one out there, man. Right now, me I go fight for my relationship. You know, let me see me talk to you still. Zane? So just go and save it up and go and feel better. I mean, definitely talk to you, man. Boy, may I tell you, there's a God in heaven, brother. Trust me. We chat here? Yeah, man. See you soon.
Jackie, Jackie, morning. What happened?
Wait, God have mercy. Girl, what going? A long time I not see you. What's up? Hey, I have to go chat. Mm-mm. Yeah, deal with. You look so what?
Girl, it's just because they say all matchmaking thing, it not work out for me, you know. I may I try, but if I know, I'm confused, like, I don't know what else to do right now. I'm a feel so that would have work out for me.
Girl, what me tell you say? What me always tell us, when me tell you say that they matchmaking something there and not fit poor people or rich people sitting. You see now work out for you.
I see, but you know, trying to get away with them, I feel like enough people that want somebody, but
Really now? Like seriously?
them no want nobody.
You're wrong yourself. There are people that don't want nobody neither. But hold on there. Come to think about this.
I want
You know me can get one client?
what you say?
Yeah, for real.
You,
Yeah man. I see you or something.
first and foremost, you not believe in my business. So how you gonna give me a client?
Girl. Things and times change now. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I can give my daughter as a client.
Your daughter?
Yeah.
Why?
Just listen. Our man dead about 1 year now. She not have nobody.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So me can make you talk to her and you deal with something for her.
Well, a good thing that.
And me a better say to work out. When I ask her, tell me I tell you. Yeah?
Alright then.
Me mean when me say, I'm my daughter me I talk about, you know.
Me know say that.
I'm me a friend long time. You know me. Anything when me say that me mean. Me no come out with foolishness.
I believe in you.
So me need you to get a good man for my daughter. Me no want you get no little idiot boy, no little butterfoot boy, you know. When I no money, you know, cause my daughter them uptype girl. You know, and the low class man them. You hear me I say?
First and foremost, I'm not deal with low class man. So
I know you me I talk about now. Me I talk about my daughter. Me need you to get a proper man for my daughter. Up to dated man.
You understand what I say?
And time is very short. So anything or anything right now. Me need you to get a good man as soon as possible for my daughter. My daughter that you know, I'm your friend long time. You know you can do it. So guess what me I go do? Like how me have your number?
Mm-hmm.
I text up on WhatsApp and send my daughter number to you.
Alright.
So no link up, you understand?
Yeah, man. Cause we have to link up first. I want to know what type of person should be so
Yeah,
we can get that the type of man that you understand?
Yeah.
But guess what, I have to go running now because I have a whole heap of things to do.
Alright, Raquel.
So I'm going to drop out this.
Just step up here.
Later.
So look come here.
Yeah, man.
Alright, later. Yeah, man. She needs to get back into the game, you know. But she no want a man. You don't know what she talk about. She no want a man. She crazy? Not the time, yeah? What's the mad? Every woman need a man.
Bobby, me can't listen to me. Every time me send a big girl to you, you don't want that the girl there. Is it that she too big or what? Me don't understand you. What else you want from me? You want carrot woman? Any type of woman you want, you have to go find for them the type of woman they can them the woman the way you wanna exist in a Jamaica. Yeah, listen. You see, is it that you pay me the rest of my money and forget about this and maybe move on to somebody else because you are waste of time. You waste my time, you know. No, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna deal with a client right now, so come off of my phone.
Regular one, yeah, what you talk?
I want my client them. And like
What happened to him?
I don't really want to talk about him right now. He focus upon you.
So where you come about now? Because me just know me put you to something.
Well, your mother tell me say your boyfriend passed 1 year now and she want grandchildren and she knows say you not look nobody but me do matchmaking, so she just asked me if you come up here and find somebody for you.
But wait, mommy I go walk and tell everybody my business?
She not do that.
Me never know say you do matchmaking. That's new to me.
Yeah, well, 9 to 5 really not work out for me. We want if you work out. So me find a way how to do matchmaking and it work out better for me. So I just do it better be your own boss than for work with somebody.
Well, like anything work for you, you know. So tell me more about it. How it go like?
Basically, your mother give me a number, right? So what mother do, me will forward the picture them to your phone. But by the way, what kind of man you like? Because me don't know.
Well, me not really have no type, you know, but me will give anybody a chance because, you know, me I look somebody for. You know, so me not really have a type. As long as him can self good and him out no smell away and him not fat on because girl, me can't manage nobody parts up me for press me over here. You get what me I say, yeah.
Well, the mother they say kind of picky still, but me like how you stay.
You know, some me I go call mommy and get her because why she tell everybody my business?
No, she don't do that. I just me alone she tell. So what I'm going to do now, alright, me send you a picture of them, right?
Alright.
Guess what? You choose somebody. When you choose the person, I will talk to them. Then it's when we meet up. But before that, you have to give me a fee first.
Like, well, I don't even want to know because you know money and it is your butt. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's all?
Yes, but you see, if you want the person to stay together, you will send me your rest time money. And I'm gonna give me everything one time because sometimes it don't work out. But if we send somebody else to you, you have to give me another fee for that.
So each time it not work out, I have to give a fee?
Basically, yeah. It's a money making thing.
Alright, I get where you but I can't work with that.
Yes.
Let's see how this goes then.
So I have to go run now.
Alright,
so I have to go run now because I have a next client to deal with, right?
Alright.
Hey, I not like that look there now.
Girl, I just know this not good going.
Listen to me. I am a matchmaker. I know what I'm doing. I can do this.
Alright.
I will help you to get somebody. Like I really need somebody for true.
Girl, 1 year out alone in a Sunday night, so me, you know.
I know that. So I'm gonna get somebody who make sure you choose the right one still.
Alright then.
You can put a smile on your face, you know. Come on, man.
Alright, I'm going to trust you, you know, just because I'm mommy, you know, I'm going to trust you.
You can trust me.
Alright.
Alright.
Let me see how we out. Give me a minute, Malcolm. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Come in, ma. I'm going like. You never have a problem finding one here, though?
No, sir. You know, sir, me have a friend who live in an area, so me kind of know a place.
Okay, that's nice. I can have a seat.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're not serious there or anything, though?
No, you know, so make alright though.
Okay, that's nice. But, what's your name again?
Romy.
Alright, Romy. So, here's the thing. Me really come for the jaw note, not nor eye, girl. I just want to get straight to the point. So, like, tell me, when you come, what's your story?
Well, to be honest, me glad you asked that. Me are one pro footballer, used to be. Now, I'm single, searching for the market, ready to mingle. I used to have a girlfriend, but she passed like a year or so ago. So me on the market and big thing about me. I never, ever, 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 ever tell a lie.
So Romy, you really think me for believe say you don't tell a lie? Like, who doesn't tell a lie? Everybody tell a small lie. No, I'm here that too much time to be fooled by that. So anyways, here's the thing. I guess my friend told you about me already. Quite?
Yeah, man, she tell me quite a few things. That's why I'm so interested.
So we're on the right track. So you know some have an ex we pass off, right? And you know, it's like me a search the perfect guy. Like the perfect. When I say perfect, like nobody's perfect, but I want that guy to be so perfect. When I look on him, I say yes, maybe no. And yes, maybe not search. Like literally, I'm searching and nobody can fit that. So I hope you're not come to play mind games and all that stuff because I'm not up for it.
Sweetheart, just let me interject for 1 second. Perfect is my middle name, so you found that guy.
You're more too sweet. You need to come along. Anyways, you want to show me around?
Sure, I'd love that.
Because I would be there to stay. Come, this way.
So me carry my bag, I'm ready to stay, man.
Alright, so this is our main room, which we're going to stay if you behave yourself.
Alright. Cool boy food, nice! And then my food that me I cook give me, man. Hey, this a food that half the time he can't left. And you see this a place and me nah left. And then nice house here. Man have AC. Whatever it takes, me nah left this a place. I swear upon everything on my own. I feel love this a food and me a time me not leaving. Man. Watch out.
What smells so nice?
Oh, baby, rich. You know, say, I have some food me I cook though, through me know you out all day.
I understand what's going in here, so.
All the cookings are going, man. That's nothing major.
Wow.
You like what you say?
Will you cook chicken?
Yeah.
It smells like pork, so.
Baby, to how me put everything in there, all of my love. If you all don't want to taste like goat, that taste like goat. Believe.
Sometimes I feel like you play with me. Stop, no?
Sweetheart, no. I never play with you. Remember, you tell me you want a serious relationship. No plaything.
You know, the other time when you tell me about how you not tell them, I believe it now, you know.
Oh, me tell us I never tell a lie, sweetheart. Me tell us I don't cook for you. I go clean for you. You know, see a place clean.
Yeah, I really like how the plate and it smells so good.
Baby, when I go to school, I get award for chef work. Believe me.
Me say, me don't know your mouth one so sweet, say, you know.
Baby, I don't even mouth alone sweet. I should even know.
You say? What you mean?
You know me I talk about.
You say you hide stuff from me now?
Me no want hide it from you.
Wait, what you talk about? What you talk about?
You know exactly what me I talk about. Me no want hide it from you.
Say you think about what me I think about?
Maybe. Oh, so I go on, babes. I wonder if you want salt. No, sir, this no want no salt. How you come like me? I doubt myself. And I mean, I'm Romy. Hey, when babes come back, I go get, make me just imagine it. I go get one big kiss for them food there. I'm not leaving this place. Oh my. God, no, man.
Be sorry about that. I just sent one email to one of my coworkers because she never come around today.
Oh.
You alright?
Yeah, man, me doing well. How are you doing?
Alright, but boy, be your food they ever smell nice. More some of this.
Why? Like food. Me I use and hold a baby.
You go on, man. So be.
Yes.
Come about today. What you do today?
Oh, baby. I should get a fuck here. You know, I said to them, I'm going to have sex with my ex.
Are you okay? Boy, you're so funny. Stop running the joke with me. I don't want too much rice. You know, there's one little circle and I don't want the gravy on the rice.
No, but
tell me what you do for tuna now.
Man, me tell you what I do.
What?
Me tell you what I do.
What?
Me go down to my ex yard and have sex.
What you say? Like, I'm not here currently.
Babes, me not like repeat myself.
What you say? What you just say?
Babe, me put down on my ex yard and we have sex. We not understand.
You see drying over my face? Romy, you see drying over my face. You look like me I play with you. Yo, give me my play before I take you block in it. Excuse right in front of me. Come out.
Baby.
This is the same thing, man. Come out.
Baby, but me tell you the truth. Me tell you something, not tell a lie.
Me should get. Why do you think so that was a joke also? Just excuse.
No, but if you never want
Come out, man.
you never tell me, say you never want me have sex
No,
with my
I'm
ex
calling
friend.
police for you now. Get out.
Really? You remember say me cooking nice food?
Stand up there until me come out.
Yeah, come on, man. That's not really nothing that.
What me say?
Baby, but you never get no more food.
I mean, it's just the same. I can't find the perfect guy. Like, why? Imagine me put this boy in my house and this boy go tell me saying go sleep with ex. You should have killing me, but the mercy of God save him and you watch me and he make me go around there so I need a lift.
So I realize we don't know woman. No, I always say one man to be honest. And me come and tell her from the very first day I tell her, I never tell a lie. And I say you treat me.
Don't want my own mouth here.
So you treat
Don't
me.
want go on. Make the Lord go with you because me now go. Excuse.
Baby, so we can work out it.
But honest. You better want to tell you what we want here about honest. What is honest? Me no want that. You're out order.
Dirty girl.
Verna, man. So what's on princess? What you say your name again?
You forgot my name already?
Oh, I not forgot your name, but I just like to know so me have everything correct.
Well, it's Renee's.
Well, you know, so my name is Ryan, aka Fat Man. And you know why they call me Fat Man?
Why?
Because I'm part with a Fatmatic. And also with an extra clip. And as I tell you, it's my badness come down different. Question, what is your story?
Well, my story is that my ex died a year ago or so, and me I look money for replacing me. Look like the right guy. That not scare me doing no. Cause I like my guy then we can protect me.
Well, you're correct. I'm the perfect guy. And as I tell you, say, you're a place and me govern it. No boy test. I'm tell you something with me now. You look like you match my energy, you know. Okay, so my ex I did have, she's kinda soft type. I like my woman match my energy. I like my woman rough. Cause me tell you say, me a gangster.
Make sure she out her picture, you know, cause me no play games.
Well, me no play games neither. She out her picture. You in her picture.
Make sure.
Where you are going? As I'm telling me like my woman rough. So you ever one of them thing here before? From you roll with me, you have to know if you angle it, you know. If anything on a boy run in, you have to know if you can lift up and wheel off to a pile.
That's a real something for
So that's smile. I like it.
Stop.
All the eyes. I like it. Where you are going now?
Wait, I don't want my fingerprint on that.
No bother with that, man. I not tell us if from you roll with me, you have to hold them and thing. You have to stop going like your baby. Hold on, funny man. I like how you feel.
Heavy to wait, man.
That
guys,
a
them
code,
look
man.
good on it and thing.
Yeah,
Say
man, white girl. A fully load, man. As me say, this is an extra clip. So you better you have it and not want it than you want it and you not have it.
What if I cause me if I it?
But you are going on now. Need for know say when I put my head safe, so just go and show me around the place.
Alright, so okay.
It's different, you know.
Like, let's keep it that
Anyway.
way. Come this way.
You alright?
I'm good, man. I'm good.
Stop spins, alright? And sometimes you can't bother with you, you know. Come with the foolish, cause me now wear my sports mode slippers. Ryan, come now. So,
I say me a hitman and a babe, so my eyes are for out in the
me
streets
just say
and
you never out in the street
I
if
have to protect
always
you,
a
you know.
drive. No know why you know make a drive.
Babes,
Don't touch me.
come in. Nobody follow you?
Me think you gonna protect me.
You good?
Don't
No,
touch me.
what you mean by you think me I go protect you? Didn't know say from here shut a fire if you run.
Pack up your stuff them and leave. Like get all like right now. Me don't know how you come
What
sit
you
down.
mean by pack up my stuff and leave?
Oh, if you protect me and I run left me at the same time.
Babes, remember say me have to protect myself too, you know. Then if me gone now, who I go protect you?
Me no want to look soft boy. If you turn up on fire shot, like you have to go live.
Your mother never tell us when shut a fire if you run. Or when
Yeah,
people are fight if you run, you know, if you turn
Yeah,
up.
I feel it. Me not talking with you.
I
You want
understand
me
what you
assist
mean
you?
by me
You
affiliate.
want me assist you?
What you mean by if you want assist me? Me not understand that. You know if you're unfair though, me dey on the road and me I protect you. And you tell me some if you left your place.
You can't. Me not understand it because you go run left me on the road. What you say what that do to me? You
Me
don't
run
probably
and
kill me
protect
in my
myself.
sleep.
You behave a way, I mean I like them the way they would.
Ryan, you have to go left. Like, me can't go do this. Cause imagine what else you would have make do me.
You
Suppose
sure you want to do this?
yeah, it's a for going like this. Suppose me did dead out the road. And you in my house, you come back up, you never come down just to come check if my alright.
A normal pray man. You go left your place because you look like all informer too, you know.
Go and push the button here, we know. Me just want to know you know there, yeah. Like,
You're a bad man and I mean I bow down to people, you know. So if you find you tell me left, me I left. You have to learn to go do chops.
right. Oh no, idiot, flame, bad man.
Boy. Yeah, general, me I tell you say just give me a minute, just 5 minutes. Me I go feel money and come back. Yeah? Yeah man, don't move man. Me I go feel money and come back. Nice girl. Renis! Renis!
Hello?
Chacha.
Bobby, why you not come in and want me?
No, me just said me if you could give me 1,000. Want pay the taxi man, please.
What?
In my way, man. Me got you man, me I reimburse.
See you know I'm tossing up on you?
No man, just me explain everything, man. Just give me 1,000, please.
Alright, give me a minute.
Me I come, General.
Here, because I don't know how you come so far without money.
Alright, just give me a second. Put on the bag for me. Me I come. Me I come.
This really happened? Sir. Like, really? Come so far without money, not even $1,000?
Oh. Ah, God. Just. Damn, stud. There it is. Ernest! Oh, God, watch you. Ernest! Oh, well, true.
How this one is so ghetto? I will give permission for going on bathroom. Come on, but this boy is a walking red flag in those ghetto, so not even fear. Yeah, come so far, not even $10, not even $1,000. No, sir.
I'm say
You
girl.
spend a time
I'm
here.
say girl. I'm say girl.
Wait, what you sing say?
Hmm?
What you sing say?
I want song me hear on the bus and me I come down, man. I say.
No, you're not spend the next minute here. You got to go. Where you bag? You got to go. Me even not pretty up. You just got to go. When you come here, it's just a walking red flag. You come here, not even have fear.
Yeah, girl. When you leave, you know, I told me there in a little situation where my ex-girlfriend salt me up. And right now, me can see that you're sugar, you know, salt. Eh?
Bobby, Bob, or whatever you want. I'm sorry, but no disrespect, no hard feeling, but you got to go.
Just cool, man. I try get off on the wrong foot.
Yeah, come and sing this song. Me don't even know. Me don't know why.
Up on the bus, me a big song, you know? Up on the bus, me hear it.
Me don't like that song there, and that does completely
Sing
turn
with
me
me.
up.
Me say, girl.
Stop! Hey! Stop it. Come, let me escort you out. You have to go, Bobby.
You know,
hard feeling.
I don't find me, I come from, I'm 4.
Come, me even have no more money for me. Just give me a minute, wait out here, so you get
Yeah, you have to give me back. You can't give me a next chance.
Bobby, me say, sure.
What wrong with this song? I mean, me a sing this song, people they know
Come
song.
here, see your fear here. Come. Sorry, but come whilst you have there, so.
You know no song for you?
Me don't want to hear that song there. I don't like that song there. Sorry. And next time or something.
Please, me have been one next time. Mr. Girl.
Alright, yeah. I will Raquel take me for. What kind of puppy show this? But my girl. You don't have no girl, you're so sorry. Hey.
Hey, yeah, everything is in there. 2 cases. Thanks again for shopping with us. It's R&D Winery.
My pleasure.
And as always, your business is always welcome, and we really appreciate it.
Yeah, you look good today, though.
Oh, thank you. You too as well. I mean, you always look put together.
Thanks. But
You know?
you say your wife, I feel it because your work always consistent, like right on time and everything.
Oh man, I'm flattered. You're too nice. But we're not married, you know. But been together for a while, but not really married. But we're working on it. Not always been sugar and spice, but you know, we're making it work. What about you? Are you married?
Oh, so you got a girlfriend. Such a year. Well, me, just regular here searching for something is hard to find in this world of ours. But you know, a girl got to keep looking because you know, one day, everybody have them person, you know, I just need to find a person. So I'm still looking.
Whoa. You know, after all these years of dealing with you, Miss Venice, I always thought you had somebody. But a lady like you shouldn't have no problem of finding someone.
Well, you know, my spouse died a year ago, and ever since after that, after the grieving and everything, I've been looking, but nobody can fit up to what I actually want. So, I don't know. I stopped trying, to be honest.
Oh, wow. My condolences.
Yeah, that's alright.
Never knew that. But Miss Venice, it's not easy, but there's someone out there
It's
for you.
always nice doing business with you, Mr. Joe. So,
It's a pleasure.
we'll keep in contact.
Yeah, man, and don't give up, yeah?
Alright, next
Someone is
week.
out there for you,
Okay.
definitely. All right, see you next time.
Okay. Ooh, so nice. Come in.
Hi, what's up?
Where you go with big suitcase?
You no plan for leave, baby.
Come in, because you come. I'm by surprise.
No plan for leave, you know.
You can put it down right here. You know, if
Where?
struggle. Right here. Put it right
Oh,
there. So what's the name again?
Justin.
Justin. So it's like you come from moving or something. I don't understand. How Raquel tell you say?
Lots of things Raquel tell me about you, you know. You even look better than how me see you on your profile. You too how you're sweet. If me ever have you too long, I'll end up catch diabetes.
Calm down, calm down. Yeah, me can't manage you know. Calm down, calm down. Me can't bother you know. Only on a sweet mouth. I only you stand up to what you say. As me not in the game.
I am a man. First thing first, me stand up to anything when me talk out of my mouth. But me not lie. Body look firm, like I'm brand new hot sock when me did take out one time then I coats. Me not tell a lie, your skin.
Keep those words, keep those words. Come and show you around. Me not have time.
How long time if you do that? Babes, you know say you stress me out though, girl. Me tell her say me just want summer for rest me head. Remember say me kick me out, you know. Me not have nowhere to go. What you mean? Me get summer for stay. Yeah, you get one nice house. Me I say house nice. Yo, all fan over my head. Me never go in our house and see fan over my head. You can come give me a link tomorrow, man. House nice. All them a tile ya. Me don't know who tile it, but perfect tiling. TV all up on wall too. Boy, babes, me not tell no lie, no. It place is nice, you know. Oh God, man, do you want to see a man right now? Foot well cock up. Nice. Fan over me that spin right now. If a mosquito feeling bad, brush against me. B. One of them soon call her back. Or probably tomorrow. Long time when I suffer, you know. Try to make it out of the gutter. Nice place, man, the for real, man.
Alright.
You don't see nobody downstairs?
No.
You don't see one white car?
No, I don't see no white car, baby. Say good, me come in.
Come, you know. So me security no reach it.
Say place so nice.
Tell us say nice.
Open the fan.
And that me they talk about.
Open the TV.
We don't come watch TV. Come here, go tour.
Let me ask you one question. You sleep with her?
No.
Why you look for up in the sky? Me right here so.
Me not sleep. Sleep with who?
Me a thought the girl.
No. Me not tell her say me just want someone for rest me head. When me a sleep with her for?
Make sure you know. Make sure. Cause we never get to that. To call one of my nice things, yeah.
Yeah man. Look sooner or later, I'm responsible everything.
Good material.
Don't drop it, you know. Expensive, don't drop it. Me tell us if you don't drop it, you know. Don't
Hey,
drop it.
me like it, please. You know, me say last night me don't worry, you know. Come here, wonder if you over here do things with her. Me not sleep comfortable last night. Me wonder if you over here do things with her.
No, B, for you know me ever tell a lie. I'm my name Justin, aka Never Tell a Lie. So anyways, how me youth?
Baby, alright.
Me see you say alright, you eat?
No.
Hello, princess. Yes, daddy. You want talk?
You're not mad at your
Come on, go to your room. So you as I just reach you want to eat.
A big place, big food for you.
Come on, we tour room first before we go to kitchen, step by step. We had to eat.
Yeah, say big.
You know what, tell her?
The bed.
Babes.
Them a nice bed, yeah.
Yeah, tell you. Want to get comfortable.
Oh, you're sure say you no do nothing?
I'm sure, B.
Make sure.
1000% sure.
Come on, me if you have nothing.
Remember, say me tell us say me get put out, you know.
Me understand.
Yeah.
So, we gotta do this your time being. You're gonna find some way.
I have to make sure say my baby mother
Yes.
comfortable too, you know. Once me comfortable, you have to comfortable.
One more thing, B. Remember this way you do. It's not a relation thing. You're looking in somewhere to rest your head.
After me not so fool.
Cause me know when you're over here and fall in love, you know, cause I have to come for you myself.
Sooner or later, all of this, yeah, what you see,
Yeah.
something like this I want for me and you and the
Yeah.
little princess. So get comfortable.
Oh, Jesus.
How your bed feel?
It bed feel comfortable. When mattress can't compare to this.
Babes, me not tell a lie no. Can't wait for me little princess born.
Yes. Foot them a hurt me if you walk up and step in. You can't rub down the foot them. Rub down the foot them.
God,
Rub them
God.
down, rub
So you
them
know
down.
me like you, no be. Me don't even like you. Me love you.
Right.
Right, correction.
But B, I really want to talk to you about it. It's upon my mind. Me not think me go can do them or something here when the baby born. But say baby soon born, you know, me cannot come over here, so me not feel comfortable, you know.
Babes, don't worry it. What we are do now, a normal pray, cause you see look more in the future. A bigger picture than what you think or what you see now. So everything will go alright.
Me tell you something. Me case and make it alright. Me not feel comfortable to come over your ass all the while to you. You know what I say?
Just understand. Just understand, no be. I want to believe in me. Believe in me for once now. Believe in me, man. Just believe in me now.
Alright, I believe in it. You hear that?
Yeah.
You hear that? You hear that? I see that. I see that.
This one like a she, you know, when you go do you know. Hell block loose.
We are going to know. We are going to know. We're pregnant, you know.
No bad no be. Go on my bed. Oh, Jesus Christ, what we are going to do? What we are going to do? You can't go through the window. Oh, go on. God. What we are going to do? Shit. Hey, don't make a sound, you know. Alright. You keep silent.
Let on the bed, normal.
Babe.
What happened?
She don't even know my dad for come home. She's so just see.
Hey, come and look for you, I see stress. I know something I tell a lie though. I clean up the whole place and I gone.
But you after all our going last night?
What?
What I'm to you?
No.
Alright?
Yeah, man.
Now we get one back of water.
No, I tell us that it's good for exercising at the night and it's good for exercising at the morning.
But you know, for exercising, though.
Yeah, man, it's different, man.
Yeah,
Like,
baby.
me, I tell us, I build muscle for last night, you know. I put on weight, you know.
After you did the part. Hey, last night was so exciting. But leave that for whatever. But baby, I tell him I go up on the road today.
Yeah.
And me, it's like, alright, so me I come out of the bank, right? And this not so sounded my person say, Miss Beggar people I know. And me say, you know, someone have no small change. The man say me broke. And me need to move and come off of the road. I say,
so what you do?
well, just walk away because me not gonna give him $1,000, but he must say me broke and stuff. And me, you know me not broke.
No.
You know me not broke.
Be. You can't,
That just piss me off. And me keep
there is no way somebody can cuss you, be. Something over you. We need a word of prayer, B.
For true.
We need to pray for all wicked people.
Hallelujah. For true.
All bad mind people.
Praise the Lord. For true.
All lucky.
Pray for me, babe.
Close the eye.
It cool.
Hallelujah. You didn't wait, let me put on slippers, B. That's when you pray. You not pray barefoot.
Yes, amen.
God say you have to come as you are.
Right.
Close the eye, B. Eye close.
Yes, be close.
In the name of Jesus.
Hallelujah.
I rebuke you, Satan.
Jesus.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. You know what? Nobody trouble you when I go on road games. Right. Nobody. Cut and clear everything. All crosses.
Cut and clear.
All crosses.
No weapon.
In the name of Jesus Christ. All crosses, be.
Yeah.
All crosses. In the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen, babe.
I tell you that you're free now.
I feel light. Yeah, I will teach you to breathe. I will teach you to breathe. I feel light. I feel much better. That was well needed, babe.
True.
I never know say it's a man of God.
You're a man of everything, be.
I know I'm realized because you showed me already.
You're not easy, you know.
So what's for dinner?
You know, say me that thing about some curry turkey neck and white rice.
So you a cook or am I for a cook? Because I'm tired though.
Alright, I will figure it out. Deep. Any minute, right now.
No, you go on.
Alright, now go on.
Alright, I'm going to show off.
Alright.
You not even make me nothing today.
B, come on.
Me
The one
hungry,
time you don't make no old gear. You go cuss me for that.
Me not cuss you know.
Oh.
Me not cuss. Ease up a little bit. Ease up a little bit.
What happened?
Nothing happen. Come again.
Oh boy. B, remember say today is not a long day, you know. Today is a short day for you, know. Let me check it out. Look.
So, today is a short day because you want to go exercise. You want to go exercise. What you want to go do? Exercise?
Me? Exercise with what?
Yeah, me didn't exercise, you know. Me didn't exercise. Me hear when you talk about exercise or you go on. Listen to me, Justin. Me don't like them something here. Me don't like it. When me in there, me blood a boil.
Be over and over we chat about this. Every minute you bring up about this. We not done talk about this so much days ago.
Me not get over it. I don't get over it. It's still up on my mind and up on my brain. When me go to my bed at night time, wake up 3 o'clock. Listen to me. Me tired. Me so tired. Me tired of it, man.
You know, see that with you do. You always come here with a foolish, you know. Worse when you see say things are going good for me, you know. You always come with all bullshit.
Oh, so you want to live. You want to cock up in a bed with woman at night time and not do things. You say if you never use your brain partner, she just say, oh yeah, set her so, oh yeah, set her so I know all of this style what you do. And yeah, me ask you, you say you don't do nothing. But you still over here do things, you're a liar.
Stop being ungrateful, B. You know, see luxury life we make where I live.
Luxury life? Are you wanna live luxury life? Are you wanna come over here with woman much o'clock in the night and I do things?
You have to stop it, man, B.
You say you look to rest your head. It's still you rest your head. Who that?
I mean how that? No must see girl for your house.
Me I talk to you as I was saying. You're over here at night time I do things and you say you're not doing anything.
What going in here, so what going in my room, what going in my place? Who is this?
I'm a cousin.
What you mean by cousin?
She's...
Me and my mother. What you mean by cousin also? You're a family ram. You a family ram.
Me, I am...
So just see now, baby, for me? I have the audacity to have her in my house? Get out!
This is not your turn yet. Hold on. Listen to me. Me no like what you do over here.
Who are you, father?
Ayo! What you do?
Come out of this. Come out of my house. Hey, for me.
Do me be a father like that.
Excuse me.
I need to get I say, come on, man, uncle. Come on. Oh.
Hey, come out to my way.
B. This is where you cast.
See what cast. Let's go. Get the suitcase and come on. We're going home. We don't belong over here. Get the suitcase and come on. You think me a ramp with you? Come come on. And them a sit me alive. Oh, so throw me belly no flat again. You want each up over here. Get the suitcase, let's go, come on. Yeah, waste time, I'm not waste none. You think me I waste time with you? Come on.
You hear me say take it outside and come out of my place.
Please no.
Oh, so you still a call her me, a woman will call you.
On go on.
Stop call me. Come on.
Excuse.
Come and call me, B. You can come and call me cousin. Me and your cousin. Me and you a cousin. Me in a relationship and I'm carrying your child. Is the cousin right here? You still a call her B. And we don't want to have two B.
No, I want
See your suitcase there. And put it still in here, by the way.
Get it.
Take it up.
Get it, honey. Get it.
Just in here, just as disgusting as the others. Get out.
misunderstanding.
Get out.
Get the suitcase and come. Take a look at time.
Where do you go here now?
Take a look at
Yeah,
time.
bro, if you stay, we can't eat up with your mother. Get us no.
Right up here, you go. Go on. Take a look at time, go on. Oh, so bad.
Come on, hear that.
Justin. You know some things here did different, but you just like the rest of them. You know some me I go give a killer call though, come just through with all of us. Oh God. Raquel?
Hello.
Nobody come now give me no sweet hello, you know.
What's your problem now?
Me done with this thing. Me done. Like, how much money am I supposed to give you again? Me like, me done.
You can't done so. You have to try. You have to continue trying until you find the perfect one.
Me done. Like, this no make no sense. About 4 to 5 guys. Yes, and now one of them make one. Like, or them come and then we do good things. And then like the other week, it come like, me don't know, God just a show them up. Me think, honestly think this like a work, but it's not working.
Alright, guess what? Give me one more chance. I promise you, sir, this time it will work out. I promise you 100%. Just give me one more chance. Let me prove myself.
I already did give you the chance, you know. And a five for you, if you send 5 and not one of them, no make sense. You just know it not gonna work. One more chance. Me already give you a chance, you know, like honestly, speak the truth. Me already give you a chance and it not work out. So one more chance you want me to give you.
Promise you, promise you. Alright, guess what? If the one don't work out, don't pay me. Don't pay me for the one if it don't work out.
You know money is not the issue.
You know, but trust me on the one now. Please. One more chance. Final chance.
Me just started this in you one mommy, you know. Cause me I try to support your business and actually I'm also please my mother. So alright. One more chance and if this not work out, me done. Me literally finish.
Alright, thank you so much. Me not disappoint you here. I promise you.
Make sure. Just let me know the details.
Okay, I will. Bye.
My daughter a little bit picky, you know.
Yeah, for real, she picky, you know. Because that's when me did just go meet her. She turned to me and she said, you know, say me have my house and me have everything and my boyfriend did left everything give me. So you can send a little bit you know, like a scammer, little bit mechanic, little bit industry that tell me different type of man we should have try, you understand? But none of them never work out.
Girl, don't give up. Don't give up no time. Just always try. Guess what? A business you do. You can't just easily give up on things just so. You crazy?
Wait, Levi. You know, say me never try with Levi. Me I go try with Levi. I last shot this, you know. Me know me I go do.
Okay.
Me have an idea. Yeah, man.
That if you
This
do.
never come to my mind.
Me want to know too.
That's why me always come to you, you know. I feel always come to you,
Yeah,
you're a
man.
good friend.
Listen to yourself. Listen to
Yes,
yourself.
yes.
Yeah, man. All right. Little more.
Yeah, man, me call
Any little thing you can call me and we
Yeah,
talk
man.
to you on the phone. See? Yeah, you can link me same way. All right. Yeah, man. Find her, man. I believe in you, Raquel. I believe in you. Find her a good man. Yeah. I forget a good man for my daughter. Yeah, man.
Well, Raquel, at this point, prove me wrong. Prove me wrong. All right. Cool. No problem. No problem, darling. It's all right. All right. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, that's a code, man, my father, man, you know. When I time we open I trap, man, you know. Yeah, give me a hello. Hi. 1 second, let me change. I'm Kevin.
Berenice.
Venice.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful name. The name fit you.
Sorry.
Yeah, man, for sure.
So, where you start me for? Where you want?
Just a call to you, try be nice, you know. Beautiful day, sunshine, and you glowing, you know.
Okay, thanks. All right, so have a nice day.
Excuse me, hold on 1 minute. I noticed that you step out the store and you have a bad leg. Let me do the honor and buy you something nice.
All right.
Even one of them shambala you like we have on.
That's all right.
So why you being so stuck up on me?
What do you mean being stuck up? Because me know when you buy me something being stuck up. You approach me with
Calm down.
this
See,
appearance.
you start raising temper. Why you raising your temper? Like that. Come on, calm down, man. So when man
What you say your name again?
Kevin.
Kevin.
Yeah.
Respectfully, I don't have the time right now.
You don't have the time.
No, I don't have the time to be wasting.
First of all, it's not like I approach and like, mama, you pum pum fat up in a shots and your body look round and, you know, them things. That's not so me approach you. So you behave like that. You behave like one look at Jezebel.
Excuse you? You're speaking to me like that?
Listen.
First of all, Kevin, let me put this to you. You look broke and you look smelly. So don't come here, come tell me I'm look like Jezebel. Not because I dress in this attire. Please, next time you see me, you take the other side and me take the other side.
Yeah, it's yourself, man. I don't see a Gabbana cologne, man. I saw the broke. Smell it. That dirty girl. How you, man? Oh, Fanta, man. You say a favor. You say a favor, concubines.
Go away.
You end up like S. But go away, Fanta. As somebody I look for look you. Go away. Man, how are you? I'm like, I could Jezebel, man. I could concubine. I mean, I forgot to tell OG about this. What is this?
Levi,
What you there me to do?
what you mean I'm there to do? Why you behave like that?
What is it? What is it?
You're too dramatic, man.
Raquel, what is it? What is it you want?
I have good news for you.
What happened?
Well, this lady, right?
Let me stop you right there, sir.
Why?
I can't go through this again. Raquel, you set me upon God, he knows who, every wrong person. I cannot do this.
This is the perfect one.
Me hear that already. You tell me that story there, you sell me it. Raquel, just don't know.
Alright, just hear me out, not hear me now.
Ah, boy, Raquel. You don't think it's time for you to give up on this thing, yeah?
What you
You're
mean?
not Cupid. Stop trying to play matchmaker now. Go find another job. Just leave me, go be at peace now, please. It's be a broken heart thing you deal with, man.
Me not do no broken heart thing, you know, see I get old. Listen to me. This a lady here, she young, her husband pass off, and she have money. Yes, I know said this one will definitely work out for you. Me not ask you, I tell you. And I want a nice girl.
She young,
and her house big.
What do our husband did?
Me no know her husband did. Me no go down the details for that. Me a matchmaker, not a dopey finder.
So she young and no man. So our husband did.
Well, me don't know. Me not even sure if they married, but me know say that's not my business anyway. You're interested or you're not interested? That me want to know.
Okay.
Yes.
But I can't think about this.
No. Come on, man. Look how long you not get nobody. I know me come back round and try get somebody. Me not have much time on this. Just one last shot. Final shot. If it not work out, you can punish me.
Wait. I need a break. Why? When you Kelly that tell me about him, I'm skeptical at first, you know. Because me I tell her I'm done with this thing. But I'm glad I take a chance. How much wrong was that?
Not enough.
What do you mean not enough? I have enough. I'm literally tired.
Just 5.
5? And that's not enough? Come on. Maybe tomorrow again. Why?
To go again right now.
No, I can't manage, I know. I promise. Maybe one more sleep and wake up.
All ladies always complain about not getting enough, and now you're actually getting it and you're complaining too.
We always complain, yes, but this is too much. Like, gosh. This is more than enough.
I'll allow you to catch up.
Like, this maybe get 1 8 hours sleep or so. After that.
Hours? I'm waking you up in 5. What's up, baby?
What's someone more I said to you? You can stop off at the laptop for a minute, please.
What's on your mind?
Like, first of all, you're a good guy. I'm going to give you that. I never come home from work and hungry. I never come to the place dirty. I never see you have nobody here. I never see you pay your phone certain hours. Like, I have to give you that you're a good guy. You have your work. You have everything together. Like, you never yet come to me and ask me for money. I must mean you want to give it to you. Like, you just have everything together, but I just one thing, Levi. The sex is a lot.
If me turn left for sex, me sit down sex, me stand up sex, me lie down sex all both. Like just
Hold on, babes. Let me see if I get this correct. Is Kiki kicking me out, babe?
me never said that. Never said that.
The tone and how you're constructing this sentence, it sounds like you come to a problem, like you're having a problem.
Come on, let me handle this conversation. All me say is he's just a perfect guy and I love it. And this is all yours.
Babes, you're easy, you know.
Girl, it work. Like this one finally work. I don't know if me I talk too soon or what. Girl, I said the boy, Jesus. Me don't even want to talk too low because him in the show right now. I just want you to know the girl the thing will work. I am an happy customer. Girl, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. But me have to go link up on a thing cause girl it worth it. Like me just need to wait for true. I'm glad me did give a chance. Alright, like him soon like him a come out. So later cause me gonna put on it right now. Alright, girl, bye. Babe. Malcolm.
Yes, finally, one of them work out. Now my business are gonna blow off so good. Like literally, me forgot call her mother and make her mother know what really I go on. Cause me happy. Oh my god. Oh my god, something good to talk about. Jesus. Hello? Good night. Guess what happened? Me find a match for your daughter.